If you or anyone you know is complaining about money and you've been thinking about adding a side income, okay, to add to your current finances, then this video is for you. And if you know anybody who is currently also complaining about either they want to have a side hustle or they need additional stream of income, then share this video with them to do them a solid. Because in just a moment, I'll be sharing with you these top 5 side hustles that anybody literally can start, okay, to start earning money on the internet and make even big money with it. So with this, you can literally get started because it has low barrier of entry, all right, requires no skill whatsoever, so no prior skill is actually needed except maybe some little marketing here and there, okay. It also requires little or no investment at all, and again, anybody can literally do this. Even if you are 17 or 70 years old, you can literally do this from anywhere in the world. And the maximum amount of time you can need to actually do these side hustles are between 1 to 2 hours per day, just in a couple of few months, and it can automate itself if you do the right thing. So pay very close attention because this is going to be a countdown, and I'm going to start from number 5 actually and going all the way to number 1, which is actually my top favorite and the one I highly recommend. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Abogonye, and this is my business YouTube channel where I talk about making money on the internet, learning new stuff in terms of business, entrepreneurship, marketing, and growth. If you like content like this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the notification icon so you get notified when I upload videos. That way you don't miss out on anything. If you want to make money on the internet, you're looking for the best way to get started, all right, click the first link in the description of this video, all right, and I'm going to share with you what the best way to get started, literally to start any money on the internet and do this big time. All right, I'm super excited to have you here as we're going to be going from number 5 all the way to number 1. So number 5 right here is the most basic and simple one you must have known about, okay, and you see people doing this every single day. What you literally need to do is to grow an audience. So you can become an influencer or work towards becoming an influencer if you're comfortable on camera like I'm doing right here, talking blah blah blah, okay. If you're comfortable doing this on camera, okay, you can grow an audience on the internet literally, okay, and start, you know, providing value, sharing content. You can more of like, you know, build an audience on YouTube like this, okay, grow a subscriber base, grow an email list and all of that, okay. Or you can more of like grow a Facebook page or things that interest you a lot. It can be any form of sport, okay, entertainment, you know, personal growth and all of that, okay. Anything that literally interests you, you can talk about them and grow in an audience, okay, with that. You can see a lot of people these days, you know, doing TikTok and growing Instagram accounts and all those cool stuff. If you're growing an audience, or an audience literally means money, okay, because attention is money. People, brands, and different companies are willing to pay you or work with you, all right, and give you a lot of money, okay, for shout outs, for you to literally help them, okay, tell people about their brands or their product and services. And that way you can be making money by just having an audience, okay. So as your audience continue to grow, the more you keep charging, keep increasing, okay, depending on who you are or the niche and whatever you like to talk about and all those cool stuff, okay. I must say you have to be ethical with this and doing things the right way. You don't necessarily need to go to TikTok and go and be dancing like every other person, okay. You can literally find your own space or your own niche or the thing that interests you more and talk about those things and literally grow an audience. Number 1 tip is make sure you're not boring, okay. You want to be exciting and entertaining. That way people will resonate with your content and they also like you and more of like follow you organically, okay. That way you can grow your brand within a very short period of time and start getting sponsorship as well as promoting your own product if you want. So that's one side hustle you can actually get started with and start making big money on the internet. Growing an audience on the internet don't mean that you have to be on the camera every single time, okay. You can actually do a faceless YouTube channel, okay, or you can more of like do a faceless brand or do a reporting brand. You know, I see so many YouTube channels these days that talk about politics, okay, and nobody's showing on the screen, just some voice on the background and just some B-roll footages talking about some political things and all of that, and they are growing huge audiences. You also can also do the same thing and grow a business just by doing that. So number 4 on my list right here is drop servicing. Drop servicing is an amazing business model and it's a name coined from drop shipping. So if you understand what drop shipping is the business model whereby you have a store set up, okay, you don't have any inventory, you buy a product from a different supplier, okay, when somebody orders from your own shop, you pay the supplier, they ship it directly to the person and without you seeing or touching the product, okay. So drop servicing is more of like something similar to that, okay, but in this case, you're actually rendering a service. So you advertise a business, okay, that you render a particular service. The service could be web design, graphic design. The service could be more of like writing or voiceover and all those stuff, okay. Whatever service you can put it out there, all right, as what you render, okay, for your business, and somebody can contact you for that particular service. Then when they pay you, you literally outsource that service to somebody else, pay that person for their service. When they do the job, they give it to you and you deliver it to the client. That way you keep the difference and you can grow a business just by doing this. I have done it myself, okay, and I've seen a lot of results with it. I will keep doing drop servicing going forward into the future because it's an amazing business model, all right? And I can do this anytime I like, okay? And sometimes it can be passive if you can set it to be automated, just like I do, okay? And in the link in the description of this video, I have a basic drop servicing course that can get you started with drop servicing, and it's very, very cheap. Literally, you can get started with that and start building a business with drop servicing. So drop servicing is an amazing business model. One of the major skills I think you might need is a little bit of marketing. Even that marketing side, if it literally stresses you out or more of like start becoming complicated and you don't know how to figure your way around tech and all of that, okay, you can also outsource the marketing to somebody, but in this case, you have to pay that person to actually do your marketing for you, okay? That is why in the beginning I said this requires little or no investment at all, okay? So if you can do that yourself, there might be no investment or very, very little investment from your own end. A lot of my friends are currently doing it. They're making a killing out of it. Some are making between 4, 5, 6 figures every single month just doing drop servicing. You can be doing a full-time job, okay, and still be doing drop servicing without any stress to you. So if you watch this video till the end, okay, I have a bonus tip that I literally want to share at the end of this video that is a secret, okay, and I don't want to, spill out the beans right now. So if you stay with me to the end, you're going to be finding out what this amazing secret is, and it's a bonus tip I want to literally share with you in this video. So number 3 right here is digital marketing agency, okay? So some people might be saying, oh, digital marketing agency, it requires a lot of time, effort, and all of that. Yes, I know all of that, okay? I have a digital marketing agency myself because me and my friend, okay, we co-founded a digital marketing agency called Creatify, okay? You can go look that up and all this cool stuff, okay? And it's an amazing agency, literally, okay? We actually started it small, okay, as a niche-based agency, then we grow it and made it into serving different niches and different categories on the internet, literally, okay? And we even find ourselves in the traditional advertising space, okay, and doing great things with the agency. So digital marketing agency is a way you can actually make money on the internet. I'm going to be making an in-depth video on how you can get started with digital marketing, okay, the easy way, and I'm going to be breaking them down, all right? So for digital marketing, you can pick an area, okay, one particular side of digital marketing to get started with. You don't literally need to do everything. So just pick one little service that you can render, okay, and get people results with that, and you can set up an agency that brings you money, okay, passively, okay, if you know how to automate the entire process. All of these 5 side hustles can be automated, okay, because there are multiple tools out there that you can use to automate the entire process without you even stressing yourself. So like I say, to get started with digital marketing agency, okay, you need to pick a niche. Either you want to help people manage social media accounts, you want to help them do paid media, you want to do PR, you want to do whatever, okay, there are different categories, okay, and like I promised, in my next video, I'm going to be doing an in-depth video on how you can get started with digital marketing agency, how you can build an agency from scratch to finish. More of like, it's going to be a full course on YouTube that I'm going to be sharing right here. And one of the best ones you can literally start and anybody can literally do is more of like a PR agency. PR agency is very, very simple to do, more of like help people in terms of getting them on blogs, getting them on podcasts, getting them on news and all of that, okay? Or more of like helping people repurpose their content on the internet, okay? You can set up an agency for that purpose alone, or you can set up an agency to help people do media buy, all right? Both traditional and digital media buy. And you don't have to do this yourself. All you need to do is to get the job and outsource it to somebody else. Then when you deliver a great job to the client, okay, make sure you're always collecting testimonials because you use that to get even more clients in the future. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be talking about digital marketing agency, on how you can get started, okay, and build an entire agency in a particular niche. And I'm going to give you ideas of niches that you can literally build an agency in and start making money. So number 3 on my list is digital marketing agency, and I strongly believe anybody can actually start an agency in a particular niche, offering one service, selling that service to make money on the internet, and you can actually do this big time. In the digital marketing agency world, okay, there's something called your go-to team or your killer team or your A team, all right, that literally delivers on services, top-notch services for you. The good part about a digital marketing agency is that you can actually do it if you work in 9 to 5 right now, okay? Wherever you're currently working, you can actually start up an agency and recommend your agency to your company so they can be your first client, literally, okay? You can offer to do jobs for them for free, okay? While you get to pay some money to the person you'll be outsourcing some jobs to, and when they see that the job is good, they can actually hire your firm full-time. You don't literally need to tell them it's yours, okay? Show them that these people can literally do this, okay? That's all you just need to do, because you don't have to put your face on your agency and all those cool stuff. So if you're enjoying this video right now and you're getting a lot of value from it, do me a solid by hitting the like button, okay? It's completely free at no cost to you, all right? So number 2 right here on my list is actually creating a course, okay? I've talked about creating a course in the past right here. I'm going to share a video right here about creating a course, okay? This video, I did it some years ago where I talk about you creating a course, okay? I recommend you go check it out. I'll put it on the card above or below in the description of this video. And in that particular video I did years ago, okay, there's things you know about that so many other people don't know. You don't need to be an expert in a particular field to literally teach people. Having a course on the internet in today's day and age literally means that you're helping people go from point A to point B. You've identified what your dot is, you know what your niche is, who are the people you want to speak to, okay, to help them solve a particular problem. Some people on the internet helping people come out of depression. And so many people, or so many of you watching this video have been depressed before, you've brought yourself out of it, you're motivated, you're super pumped, you're going right now, and you can literally help people with your own technique on how to bring people out of depression. You don't need to be an expert to do this, okay? You just need to share your own experience and how you did it, okay? Some people know how to solve math, some people know how to speak a particular language and all of that. Whatever you know how to do, okay, all you just need to do is to teach people how you are able to do it, okay, and take them from where they currently are, where they are struggling, to where they will get their desired outcome. What are the steps in which you know that can help somebody come out of a particular struggle or pain point that they are in? Design your course, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, you know, all the way through to the end, that can literally help somebody come out of a particular situation or struggle they are currently in. A lot of people recommend that creating an online course requires that you need to know some form of marketing, which is true. In all of these 5 side hustles I'm talking about, you literally need some form of marketing here and there. But marketing in itself can also be outsourced, but you can know it as you go along, okay? You can learn in the process, okay? It's not that difficult to do. By just getting a coach or a mentor or somebody to hold you by the hand, it can literally help you get started and help you set everything up in no time, and you can start earning revenue and making money as you go along, okay? So serving as a coach to people who need your help is more of like service to humanity. You're more of like serving people. We get to understand that selling is caring or selling is serving, okay? So if you're selling to people, okay, something you know that can literally help them, then it's great, okay? Some people help people lose weight. Some people help people with nutrition. Some people help people with, you know, a particular kind of sport they know how to do or whatever, all right? Or more of like a particular online skill set and all those cool stuff. Okay, so you can literally put those things in a course and package them together and literally sell them and make money on the internet on the side, and that could serve like a side hustle. If you can't be on the camera in terms of teaching somebody, you can just put your course in a PowerPoint presentation, you know, and just record the entire screen of your computer, you know, and walk people through the entire process to get them out of a particular situation. Creating a course on the internet is one of the ways in which you can actually build a sustainable side hustle, okay, that could add an additional stream of income into your life, okay, into your finances, and you can grow it from there. As you know, alternative education has started becoming a thing, and a lot of people prefer to learn from somebody who have real life experience about a particular thing, or they are fully knowledgeable, or they are currently doing a particular thing, okay, they prefer learning from them than learning from the traditional education, more of like going to the university or and all those stuff. A lot of people prefer alternative education because it is very, very valuable in the workplace, okay, in the marketplace these days. So you can actually take advantage of that opportunity and start an online course. So we'll make 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 figures, okay, on the internet by selling online courses. And you too can also do the same, all right, by starting it as a side hustle, and it could potentially become your main hustle. So number 2 on the list right here is starting an online course, and it is very, very important you take action. So in terms of setting up your online course, you need a guide, more of like a mentor or a coach to help you set everything up, okay, teach you some of the ropes. So with the right strategy, you can actually build your entire course and literally sell it, okay? So just look for somebody that is more of like ethical, that could literally help you, or if you need my own help, okay, just DM me on Instagram and I could help you, you know, start your own online course and help you set everything up literally and get the ball rolling. Though it's going to cost you a little bit of money, but I'm willing to help you set the entire thing up, all right? So number 1 on the list right here, which is my favorite, and I love talking about this, is affiliate marketing / CPA marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing is an amazing business model. It's more of like selling other people's products and services for a commission. Top affiliates actually earn between 6, 7, and 8 figures and more on the internet every single year by promoting other people's products and services. There have been a lot of controversies about building passive income on the internet, but I strongly believe that affiliate marketing is one of the ways you can build passive income and make money even while you sleep, okay? Because sometimes I wake up to see some alerts from jobs I've done in the past, okay? From companies I've promoted their product and services in the past, okay? I just see the alert on my DOM USD account, or more of like in my PayPal account, and I'll be like, wow, okay. And some of these things, I'm not currently working for them, I'm not promoting their services, I'm not doing anything, and I literally just get money sometimes, and it's more of like makes me smile, okay. Sometimes starting your day seeing money is exciting, all right? So affiliate marketing can be used to build passive income, and I strongly believe that there are actually an active phase of it where you just do the work, but after doing the work, okay, it's more of like run itself, because it's just digital assets. So you more of like have multiple digital assets on the internet that serves as you, okay, being present, literally, okay, more of like web pages and all of that, okay, that are set up correctly with the right strategies that people come through, you know, to click your links and buy a product or service, and you earn a commission. Okay, so this entire thing can literally be passive and fully automated. All right, I'm speaking from full experience because I know what I'm talking about. You don't need any products, you don't need anything. Okay, it's just all you need is the right strategy to get started with it. If you would like to know how to get started with affiliate marketing, there's the first link in the description of this video. Click that link, like I say, okay, it will help you get started in the right direction. For me, affiliate marketing could be pretty passive. So actually, everybody does affiliate marketing knowingly or unknowingly. There's some ways you'll be referring your friends or your family to certain things you know, like, and trust, okay, without even knowing. Or more of like a doctor referring you to a specialist, or more of like an Uber driver referring you to a good mechanic, or more of like your friend telling you about the new restaurant in town and how awesome their chefs are and all those cool stuff. So everybody is literally referring people to different things every single day, and that is what affiliate marketing is all about. Earlier in this video, I talked about influencers and brands, you know, paying them money to give shout out to their products and services. When an influencer gives shout out to a particular product or service, okay, people naturally just follows and, you know, take the influencer's word for it, and they buy that company's product and services or work with that company. Affiliate marketing is literally referring people to a product or services, and you earn a commission for just doing that. To get started with affiliate marketing, you could just basically go to websites like Amazon or ClickBank or any other website out there that offers affiliate programs. Okay, for me, I prefer software programs or software product and services, literally, because those ones can earn me passive income and recurring revenue. So you can go to this website, all right, go to the affiliate section, sign up as an affiliate, get your own unique link, okay, and use a proven strategy that works to promote your own affiliate links. Okay, that way you can be earning money on the internet. Don't go and be spamming your links everywhere on the internet, because doing that, you are not going to make any money. All right, you might make some money, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, but in today's day and age, what literally works is using the right strategy that actually works. So if you'd like to know what literally works, okay, click the link in the description of this video, and I'll be sharing that with you on how you can literally do affiliate marketing the right way to actually make money on the internet. And people come through your link to buy a particular product and services, okay, you get paid a commission for just doing that. And when the product or services you are promoting, okay, offers recurring commission, when somebody buys their product or their services and the person continues to pay that company, the company also continues to pay you every single month as well. Okay, as long as that person stays a customer, you get paid every single month. That is why you can actually make money even while you sleep with affiliate marketing. So as you stayed up to this point in this video, okay, the bonus tip I actually promised you, which is my gift to you, okay, is go over to my Instagram. Okay, you can find a link also in the description. Go over to my Instagram, all right, and DM me the word high income skill. All right, and I'm going to be sharing with you something that is unsaturated, very, very new, that a lot of people don't know about, that you can literally do. You don't even know you have that skill set right now, okay, that can literally earn you between $1,000 to $10,000 per month, okay, if you're doing things the right way. All right, just DM me high income skill on Instagram, okay, and I'm going to be sharing that information with you. Don't forget to drop me a comment in this particular video. You can ask me your questions right there. Drop a like, okay, more of like destroy the like button for me, because it actually helps the algorithm and it helps people find this particular video, okay, so it could be helpful to other people as well. Share this video with your friends, okay, so that they can also benefit in terms of starting a side hustle, literally, to help them have additional stream of income in their life. As Tai Lopez says, thou shalt not have one stream of income, okay, and it is very, very important. You need multiple streams of income in this day and age, literally. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed already and you've been watching me, all right, and you like this kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification icon so you get notified when I upload new video. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take action, stay strong, and be awesome. Bye for now.